know Lil Juke made it.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing y'all how I do my eyebrows. So first you want to brush your eyebrow, and then you want to go in with let's say eyeliner. So first thing you're going to do is underline your natural eyebrow line. So exactly like how your actual eyebrows are, that's what you're going to follow, and you're just going to fill your eyebrows in. You could use a pencil, you could use a dip, you could even use eyeliner that's dark brown. But I could use all of them, but I prefer to use a pencil, but I decided to go with something else today. So all you're doing is filling in your eyebrows. So once you underline the under part of your eyebrow and the above part of your eyebrow, you want to go in and you want to shade the inside part. So you don't want to do it too heavily to the point where it's like too dark, but you want to shade in enough to the point where everything's covered. So I guess this is still considered filling in your eyebrow. So once you do that, you're going to go in with your brush and you're going to brush the inside of your eyebrow, and you're going to brush the outside part, like the middle of your face, to like create that natural look. So then I like to go in with the pencil just to fill it in some more, slightly darker, because I like mine a little bold. I'm darker, so it really all depends on your skin tone. So if you're a lighter skin tone, you don't want to go in so heavily, but if you're kind of on the dark side, you want to go in with your pencil as well. So now I'm getting concealer, and you're going to go under the eyebrow with your concealer, following what you've already filled in. This is also where you could clean up any mistakes that you've done with the concealer. So if you feel like your eyebrows too thick, you can make it skinnier while you're doing this process with the concealer by going under the eyebrow and above the eyebrow. Or if you want to make it sharp, well, actually to make your eyebrow sharper, you have to go in with the concealer. So this is the step that you are at now, and you just want to do that for both eyebrows, above and underneath your eyebrow. So once you've underlined your eyebrow and cleaned up your mistakes, you want to now go into blending. So you're going to keep going over the concealer by smoothing it out on your skin, I should say. And as you're doing this, you want to make your eyebrows sharper at the end. So now I like to start bringing the product towards the center of my face, and you're gonna see why I do that kind of when I'm finished. Like right now I'm about to look ridiculous. So yeah, you want to start dragging out the product kind of to the center of your face. This also helps with the blending. And so as you can see, I go in with my brush again. Now hear me out. With that brush in the beginning of my eyebrow, that's how you create that natural look, as if like your eyebrows are like fading, or like, well, some people I know they like to do the lines in the front, but I don't. I just like that faded natural look. Once my eyebrows look like how I want them to look, then I go with concealer in the middle. I'm not adding more concealer, I'm just using the concealer that's already on my brush and putting it in the middle or the center of my face. So right now it's giving box. Let me tell y'all the secret. So of course you don't want your eyebrows too close together, so you're gonna keep using the concealer to kind of, I don't want to say erase, but erase that extra work. I'm not doing it yet, but after you see me cleaning my eyebrows, I'm going to start removing, I don't want to say erase, but I guess erasing the beginning part of my eyebrows because they shouldn't be too close. Okay, so here I go erasing the beginning part of my eyebrow, and now I'm going to use my beauty blender to create that desired space that I like in between my eyebrows. And you're going to see me go in with my brush to create that faded look and not give box. Like your eyebrows should not give boxy, it should give natural, faded. I'm real, very much real in the front. Like it really should not give box. So now I'm blending, and as I'm blending, I'm also cleaning my eyebrow, making it sharper in the end and cleaner, I should say. So now we're at the point where you could basically see what your eyebrows are going to look like at the end of this process, and what's mainly left is blending everything out together. Okay, so you see me bringing out the concealer out to my forehead again, or the middle of my face again, and I'm just doing this to bring my eyebrows lower. Well, not my entire eyebrow, but like the beginning part lower, because I like to create that arch, like it starts low and then go up and then down. So that's all that I'm really doing at this point, and I'm blending it out with my beauty blender. So now I'm kind of at the last few steps, and I'm just trying to make it as natural as possible as I can in the beginning. And you can see like I'm wiping it or trying to blend it with my finger as well. And like now I'm gonna clean like the little parts where I feel like it's not sharp enough, or just go over it, but I'm not adding any more concealer to my brush. Finally, at the last step, all you have to do now is just blend all that extra concealer away. And you could blend it down into your, or onto your eyelids if you're doing your full face, of course. And if you feel like you want to go back in and make it cleaner or bring it lower, you still can. Just use what's on your brush and go back in with that concealer and just clean it up to your liking. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you haven't yet, go like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, please. And thanks for watching. See you guys next time.